This part is difficult.
Hey there, is that a Spanish book you're reading?
Yes, I'm from Spain.
I'm Adrian. Welcome to the US.
I'm Irene. Nice to meet you. I came here for learning English.
Almost perfect. We say to learn English, not for learning.
Thank you. I want to speak more good.
Better, not more good.
I want to speak better.
So, how long have you been here?
Only 2 weeks? I just arrived.
Are you visiting or studying?
I'm a student. I study English at a language school. Everything is new for me. Streets, people, food.
Do you like it so far?
Sometimes I miss home. My family, my dog.
That's normal, but it gets better.
Sometimes I feel lost. But I like the people here.
Your accent is lovely, don't worry. What do you miss the most?
My mom's paella.
I tried learning Spanish once. I gave up after 1 week.
Haha, maybe I can help you too.
How are your classes?
Fun, but grammar is my enemy. I made a mistake today.
You mean made a mistake. You're brave for coming here alone.
Thank you. It's a big adventure for me. So many birds here. We don't have these in Madrid.
What's your dream after learning English?
I want to work in tourism, maybe in New York.
That's awesome. I work in graphic design.
Cool. I love art. What is that drink? It looks colorful.
It's a smoothie. Want to try one? Want to try a tongue twister?
What is that?
Like, she sells seashells by the seashore.
No way, that's impossible.
You're learning fast.
Because you helped me. Send me that photo.
Only if you promise to meet again. There's a nice little restaurant nearby. Want to go this weekend?
Yes, I'd love that. Here's my number.
Got it.
Do you like movies?
Yes, maybe we can watch something together.
This was the best part of my day.
Mine too. I have to go now, but I'll text you.
Okay, bye, Adrian. Such a nice guy.